Yes, hello everybody. So, how are you all? My name is Yogesh, and we are doing statistics standard 11th, and we have started chapter number 3, that is mean. Okay, name of chapter number 3 was measure of central tendency. Yes, and in central tendency we have done the topic of mean, we have started the topic of median. Yes, we have started the topic of median. In the topic of median, what we have done when xi is given, we have done when fi xi is given, and today we are going to do when class and frequency are given. Yes, today we are going to do when class and frequency are given. So let us write the heading median. In median we are doing the point when class and frequency both are given. Okay, so we are doing a median when class and frequency both are given. Okay, in class and frequency both are given. Let's take an example. Say for example there is a class, okay, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40. Okay, for example this type of classes is given and frequency is given. So what is a frequency? Let's take frequency as 3, 5, okay, 4 and 3. Okay, let's take frequency like this: 3, 5, 4 and 3. What is total of this? 15. Now how will you find the median? Okay, so you will be writing a formula for median. Now what is formula for median? Formula for median will be value of. So what is median? You know what is formula for median? Median is value of, yes, median is value of n plus 1 upon 2 observation. No, there is a bit change here, very minor change. Here median is value of n upon 2th observation. Yes, what is median here? It is value of n upon 2th observation. Yes, it is value of n upon 2th observation. So what you have to remember, that formula for median is value of n plus 1 upon 2th observation, but when in question classes are given, okay, when in question classes are given, you have to find median. Your formula will have a bit change. It is value of n upon 2th observation. Okay, yes. Now median is what? So your n is value of 15 upon 2th observation. Okay, so your n is 15 here. Its value of 7.5 observation. So now it is value of 7.5 observation. Okay, what is it? It is value of 7.5 observation. So now where you will be searching for this 7.5? Well, where you will be searching this 7.5? We will be finding cumulative frequency here. What we will find? We will find cumulative frequency here. Now see, cumulative frequency you know how to find. In opposite to 3 you have to write 3. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15. So this is your cumulative frequency. Now what you were searching for? Okay, you were searching for this 7.5th observation, and you can see your 7.5th observation lies exactly here. Okay, I can say it lies exactly here. Okay, because as I told you that up to 3 it is here, and after 3 4 5 6 7 8 is here. So your 7.5 is here. Now in when XIFI was given, the answer opposite to 8 was your median, but here 10 to 20 is the class selected. Now there is a confusion that the answer of median is between 10 to 20, but what answer it is we don't know. See, we know answer is between 10 to 20 because class is selected. Now whether it is 10, whether it is 20, or whether it is any number between 10 to 20, how you will find it? Okay, so another, as I told you, another question. So how will you find it? So we will be finding with another formula. Okay, we have another formula for that. Okay, let's solve it. So median is, now we have another formula. Median is L plus, this is not another formula, actually this is extended formula. First you have to find value of n upon 2th observation, then you have to select the class. After selecting the class, okay, so let's do one thing. Let's write stepwise. So that was the first step you have done. Okay, step 2 was to select the class. So I'll write step 2, selected class is 10 to 20. So this class is selected. Okay, now step 3 is to find median. What is formula for median? It is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon FI into C. Okay, so this is your formula. Yes, what is your formula? It is value of m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon FI into C. Now what is L? Okay, let's check what was the L. See, let's make a note here. L is 10 here. What is L? 10. Then okay, let's write 10. L is 10 upon n by 2. Now what is n by 2? You can see n is 15 here. So 15 by 2 it is 7.5 minus. What is CA5? What will be CA5 here? So CA5 is the cumulative frequency of the previous class. CA5 is cumulative frequency of the previous class. Okay, so I'll be writing CA5 as 3. Yes, you can see it is 3. Okay, yes, it is 3. Then I'll be writing frequency. So what is frequency? Frequency is of the same class. So you can see frequency is of the same class, that is 5. So frequency is of the same class 5. Then class length. Now what is this class length? 10 to 20 is class, so class length is of 10. You can they are asking about the gap. 10 to 20 means 10 plus 20, so that plus 10 is the class. So our class length is 10. Okay, now it's 10 plus see, I have done this bracket, that means you have to solve that bracket first. So it's 10 plus 7.5 minus 3, that is 4.5 upon 5 into 10, this is 4.5 actually. So this is 10 plus, now 4.5 into 10 is 45, and 45 upon 5 is 9. Okay, so that 10 plus 9 is 19. So your median is 1, 9 and 19. Yes. So you got what we have done? Yes, I hope so you got it. Okay, we have done this median with 3 steps. Our step 1 was to find median is value of n by tooth observation. Okay, and then this n by tooth observation you have to find in CFI. Then step 2 is find in CFI and select the class. So this was the step 2, find in CFI and select the class. Third step was this, median is L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon Fi into C. So your third step is this, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon Fi into C, in which L is lower boundary. Yes, what is L? L is lower boundary. CA5 is cumulative frequency of previous class. It is cumulative frequency of previous class, and Fi is frequency of same class, and C stands for class length. C stands for class length. Yes, C means class length. Okay, so let's do another sum. Let's do some from okay, exercise 3.1. Let's do some from exercise 3.4. In exercise 3.4, this is sum number 2. In this sum number 2, actually there are many questions, but we will be finding median. Sir, other than median, which questions are there? There are questions like you have to find Q3, D8, P62. We'll be doing this at the later part. Now we'll find median in this question. There is a median also. Okay, so the classes are distance traveled in kilometers, so I'll be writing classes. Okay, so classes are 0 to 100. Classes are 0 to 100. Then 100 to 200. then 200 to 300, then 300 to 400. Okay, then 400 to 500, 500 to 600. So these are the classes given. Then frequency is given. So what is frequency? It is 5, 18, 24, 7, 5, 1. Okay, let's find the CA5 also. So it's 5, 23, then 47, 54, 59 and 6060. So this is your CA5. That means total of frequency is 60. Now how we will find it? I told you that first step, median is equal to value of n upon 2 th observation. So it is value of n upon 2 th observation. Now what is this n? N is 60. So it is 60 upon 2 th observation. So it is 30th observation. Now this 30th observation is step 2. You have to find it in the classes. In which class the 30th observation is there? So class 200 to 300 is selected, because as I told you that 23 CFI means that there are digits up to 23. 47 CFI means that there are digits up to 47. So this 30 is up between this up to 47. So 200 to 300 class is selected. Yes, the class 200 to 300 is selected. Now this is lower boundary 200. Okay, let's write the formula. So you will write here class selected is 200 to 300, so that we can remember which class was selected actually. Okay, it is for our note. Now median is what? It is L plus. Median is L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon FI into C. So it is L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon FI into C. Now what is L? L is 200, as I told you that class is 200 to 300. So middle value 200 is your L plus n by 2. N is 60, so 60 by 2 is 30. So your n by 2 is 30. Now CFI. CFI is the upper class cumulative frequency of the previous classes I told you. So if you did 200 to 300, then cumulative frequency of 100 to 200 you have to take. So you need to take 23 here. Yes. Upon frequency you have to take of the same class. What is frequency of this class? It is 24. Now what is class length? You can better see the class length is between 200 to 300. That means class length is of 100. Yes, you can see class length is of 100. Yes. So now you have to solve. 200 plus 30 minus 23 is 7. So it's 7 upon 24 into 100. What is it? It is 7 upon 24 into 100. So now you have to solve this it's 200 plus 7 into 100 upon 24. So 7 into 100 upon 24. It's 29.17. So it's 200 plus 29.17 is 229.17. Yes, so it was 229.17. Okay. Okay. Now let us do the fifth sum of 3.4. Okay, so exercise 3.4, fifth sum. Okay, heading is of expense. I am writing class. Okay, so classes are given like this: less than 200. After then 200 to 400. Then it's 400 to 600. Then it's 600 to 700. Then it's 700 to 800, and lastly it is 800 and lastly it is 800 and above. Now number of students is the second column. I will be writing frequency. It is 8, 23, 40, 17, 7 and 5. So let us do the total. It's 8 plus 23 plus 40 plus 17 plus 7 plus 5. So it is 100. 100. Now we'll be doing our median. Okay. How will we solve? I taught you that we'll be doing in some steps. First step is to find this. Median is value of n upon tooth observation. Now n is what? It is 100. So it is 100 upon tooth observation. Now 100 upon 2 is 50. So it is value of 50th observation. Now this 50th observation you need to find in CFI. How will you find in CFI? 8. 8 plus 23, it's 31. 71. Then 88. Then 95. And then 100. Okay, so bit up and down is there in sequence. But if you want to find 50th observation, so this is your class 400 to 600. Okay, 400 to 600. So if 400 to 600 class is there, this is your FI, this is your CFI. Okay, so my step 2 is to find the selected class, and selected class is 400 to 600. Okay, let's find the median. Median is L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon FI into C. L is 400 plus, what is frequency? Frequency is what is n by 2? N by 2 is 50. So it's 50 minus It's 50 minus CFI. What is CFI? CFI is the cumulative frequency of the previous class. What is your previous class? It's 31. So it's 31 upon frequency. What is your frequency? Frequency is the same class, 40, into class length. Now 400 to 600 is what? It is 200 length. Okay. If you have seen the question, then class length is different in each and every class. In 200 to 400 is 200, 400 to 600 gap is 200, 600 to 700 gap is 100, 700 to 800 gap is 100. What class length you have to take? You have to take class length of the class which is selected. So selected class is 400 to 600. That means you have to take class length of that particular class. So that is 200. So this is 400 plus 50 minus 31 is 19 upon 40 into 200. Okay, if you solve everything, that is 19 into 200 upon 14. 19 into 200 upon 40. You will be getting 95. Now 400 plus 95 is 495. Okay, so this is your answer. So we have done this sum also. What sum we have done? 3.4 is fifth sum. Okay, let me give you one sum. I'll give you the question and you have to find the answer. Okay. Okay. See. Write classes like this: 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and write frequency like this: 12, 23, 45, 29 and 7. So this is your question. You have to find the median. Okay, what you have to do? You have to find the median. So question is, class is 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and frequency is 12, 23, 45, 29 and 7. And let me give you the answer also. I'll make you write the answer. Okay. Just wait for a second. Your answer is 35.11. This is answer. Okay, so you have to find with your own. Okay, I have given you the answer. Answer is 35.11. Okay, this is your question. You have to follow 3 steps. Step 1 is to find the class, that is median is value of n upon 2th observation. By that observation you have to select the class, that is second step. And third step is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon FI into C. Now CFI is cumulative frequency of previous class, FI is frequency of the same class, and C is for class length. Okay.